This video is sponsored by Gadget Zone. It is a shop in Chennai where you can get the latest mobiles, headphones, security cameras as well as security lockers. So please check the description for more information.
After seeing the intro, most of you might have guessed what is this video is gonna be about. Well, before diving into any deep conclusions, let's just open it up. Well, here is the full hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm Arnav here from Tech Arena, and before moving on to the video, if you end up liking this, do consider smashing the like button and also click the red color subscribe button. It is absolutely free by going to the red color subscribe button below the description box, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you stay updated in our channel. Now let's get to the review of the Galaxy S9 Plus. So now let's start with the physical overview of the Galaxy S9 Plus. On the front, on top, you have the earpiece which doubles as speaker, the sensor and the 8 megapixel camera. Below that, you have a 6.2-inch Quad HD plus Super AMOLED Infinity display, and on the bottom you have the capacitive home buttons. On the back, you have the dual camera in the Galaxy S9 Plus and the single camera in the Galaxy S9. So if you say in this setup, you have a 12 plus 12 megapixel dual optic image stabilization setup with a primary lens and a telephoto lens, in which the primary lens has a feature called variable aperture, where it can change its aperture from f1.5 to f1.4, which is really great. And below that, you have the fingerprint sensor, which is now in a convenient placement when compared to the Galaxy S8. And on the left side of the camera, you have the heart rate sensor as well as the flash. Now let's take a look onto the placements. On the right, you have the power button, and on the left, you have the volume rockers and the dedicated Bixby button. On the top, you have the SIM slot, where it is a hybrid SIM slot where you can put in one SIM and a SD card and two SIMs. So there is one more specialty added onto this device, which is you can expand up to 400 gigabytes. Well, I don't think so anyone would spend 23,000 in expanding their internal memory of a smartphone. Well, on the bottom you have the retained 3.5mm jack with the USB Type-C and a speaker. Well, this device has the Dolby digital speakers, where the earpiece and the bottom speaker works very well when I tested. And talking about the internals, yes, in India and other countries, the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus comes in with the Samsung's own Exynos 9810 processor, whereas in China and US it comes in with the latest Snapdragon 845. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has the 6GB RAM, and the Galaxy S9 has 4GB RAM, where both of them is available at two storage variants, which is the 64 and 256GB variant. It runs on the Android 8.0 built on top of Samsung's Experience 9.0. And what is so special in this device? Well, the camera. Yes. The cameras are now reimagined with a new feature called variable aperture, where it can change the aperture from 2.4 to down the lane to 1.5. So which is really great. And here are some of the sample shots shot with the Galaxy S9 Plus back camera. So if you see the pictures over here, the colors are very well saturated and the focus is absolutely great. And especially when changing it to the f1.5, the background blurs really well. And this is a picture which I've taken with the front camera of the Galaxy S9, the 8 megapixel sensor. Well, it works really well. The f2.0 aperture keeps it good. And now, one more really great feature, but actually this feature is present in all Sony Xperia smartphones, the super slow motion. Yes. So you can record a super slow motion footage at 720p at 960 frames per second. Well, while hearing to the 720p, we feel a little bit sad, but thumbs up Samsung, because this is the first time that Samsung is implementing slow motion camera, and here is the sample. Well, in this video, you can clearly see that the sands are really well portrayed in the slow motion video. Well, what this feature does is that it turns a 0.2 second footage into 6 long second footage. Then you can imagine how slow is the footage will be. So this is the super slow motion footage shot with the Samsung Galaxy S9. And the next feature is the AR emoji. AR emoji? Animoji? Well, AR emoji. It is easy to set up. Just open up the camera, find a face, click a photo, and after that choose the gender, whether you are a male or female, and voila, you are done with setting up the AR emoji. Well, and you can also record videos using the AR emoji. You can lively talk. You can just move your mouth, wink your eyes, so that it reflects the same action in your smartphone. And overall, this device also has the IP68 water resistant, which keeps this device awake till 5 feet of water. Overall, this device performs really well comparing the camera, the processor, the RAM, and Samsung's Experience 9.0. The AR emoji and emoji does it really well. Overall, this is a really great flagship device. I hope that the Galaxy S9 or the S9 Plus gets one of the awards in any of the tech show which is going to be held this year. And if you want to grab this Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus at really cheap rates, just contact the below description. There's a shop called Gadget Zone where you can grab this device at really exciting offers. Well, the Galaxy S9 starts at 57,900 rupees, where if you have an HDFC card, you can get up to 5,000 rupees off, and if you do a transaction using Paytm, you can get 5,000 rupees off. Then, if you're going to exchange your old device while buying the Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, you can get up to 6,000 rupees off. So these offers are exclusively limited to this shop, Gadget Zone. Please contact the description below. You have the phone number. And that's it for today's video. I guess you have liked this video so much. And if you have liked, as I said in the beginning, just drop a like below. I'm Arnav here, signing off from Tech Arena. Let's meet in the next video.